Y'all, this might be the best griddle ever. Yes, I said it, best griddle ever. Let me tell you, Blackstone has really upped their game with this Blackstone Culinary model. It's a deluxe model from Lowe's. Even comes with an extendable side table. Whew. There's some other bells and whistles that I want to get into, so let's get started. So you're probably wondering, Hussey, what's so special about this griddle? I'm glad you asked. Hey, check out this. We got some electronics here. Tells you zone temperatures. I don't have it on right now. Tells you the time. Got a timer on there. Hey, that's pretty cool. The fuel level. Who hasn't ran out of dang fuel about mid-cook or trying to finish the thing up or like 1 minute into your cook? I know I have. You've seen it before. This says 70 degrees on the drawer. You're probably saying, drawer? What you talking about, Hussey? Well, my friends, check this out. A warming drawer. How cool is that? You have some things that came off the griddle. Need to keep it a little warm. Slide it into the warming drawer. And you keep tabs on the temperature of that warming drawer. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Check this out. How about a drawer, storage drawer? That's awesome, right? Now, this is probably the coolest feature. I know the electronics are cool. Tells you temperature and all that. This is the coolest thing ever. Check this out. How cool is that? This is either a bag holder or you could put a 13-gallon trash can with a liner in it, obviously, right here. Why do I like this? Well, because this thing right here, yes, that thing right there, the Maggie dog, she likes to get into my garbage all the time. If I put anything in there, she knows when I put this shirt on, she knows it's go time. When I put stuff in the garbage, she likes to piffer through it. Yeah, she's a piffer, garbage can holder. Don't have to worry about it. Close it shut. It's all good. Oh man, I love this thing. This next feature is pretty awesome, especially if you're low on space. Hey, check this out. Extendable side shelf. Don't have a whole lot of space. You know, you need to set something there, but don't need it all the time. That's a savior right there. Now, let's talk about the griddle itself. What we came here for. X-frame hood, structurally awesome. We got brand new burners, high performance burners. What does that mean? Pancake style. Notice these tubes that's coming up from each pancake burner. Those are thermocouples, or actually thermistors. That is how you measure these zones, okay? So it's right in the middle. It's not going to tell you the whole exact temperature, but it's going to give you a pretty close indication of where your temperatures are within this zone. Omnivore griddle plate, it's going to keep you nice and hot. It's going to recover well. It's got integrated wind guards. Well guys, that's all I have. It's a short video, but I wanted to bring this to you because I think this griddle is pretty special. Let me know down below, what is the feature of this griddle that you would look forward to in your current situation? For me, it's that garbage can or the trash bag holder. I appreciate you. Hey, I hope you can go check this out. Let me know what you think about yours if you got one.